Hi everyone. If you're looking to keep your home safe in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 outdoor security cameras, including wireless, solar-powered, and AI-enabled options that make protecting your home easier than ever. Stick around because I'll share pros, cons, and quick tips for each. Camera 1, GMK MK Wireless Security Cameras. First up is the GMK MK Wireless Security Cameras, CG6. This 2-pack delivers crystal clear 2K Ultra HD video with dual night vision full color and infrared. Setup is a breeze, no messy wires, thanks to rechargeable 5000 mAh batteries. Pros: easy wireless setup, 2K video, dual night vision, IP65 weatherproof, smart alerts. Cons: no 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, paid cloud upgrades, limited 33 feet night vision range. Quick tip: place cameras near entrances for maximum coverage and enable AI motion alerts to reduce false alarms. Camera 2, Blink Outdoor 4, newest model. Next, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a budget-friendly, Amazon-certified refurbished option. It offers 1080p HD video, infrared night vision, and 2-way audio. The 2-year battery life means less maintenance. Plus, it works seamlessly with Alexa. Pros: long-lasting battery, HD video, dual storage, cloud and local, easy DIY setup, Alexa compatible. Cons: person detection requires a subscription, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, and non-rechargeable batteries. Quick tip: mount Blink cameras at 7 to 9 feet for optimal motion detection coverage. Camera 3, AOSU Security Cameras 4Cam Kit. The AOSU 4Cam Kit is perfect for those who want subscription-free security. With a built-in solar panel and encrypted 32 GB local storage, it's low maintenance. Enjoy 360 degrees pan and tilt coverage with auto tracking, 2K resolution, and color night vision. Pros: no monthly fees, solar powered, 360 degrees coverage, auto tracking, 2K night vision, 2-way audio. Cons: needs adequate sunlight, 32 GB storage may be limiting. Quick tip: place the solar panel in direct sunlight for uninterrupted power and longer battery life. Camera 4, VisionWell CG6S Wireless Camera. The VisionWell CG6S is a sleek, bullet-style camera with 2K HD video and AI motion detection that can identify people, pets, vehicles, and packages. It's wireless, rechargeable, and weatherproof with 1 to 5 months of battery life per charge. Pros: wireless, rechargeable, AI detection, 2K HD, 2-way audio, flexible storage. Cons: no SD card included, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Quick tip: adjust the detection zones in the app to avoid unnecessary alerts from passing cars or animals. Camera 5, AOSU Solar Cameras Security Outdoor. Finally, the AOSU Solar Cameras Security Outdoor offers a 360 degrees panoramic view, 2K color night vision, and human auto tracking. The built-in solar panel keeps it charged, and installation is simple. Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility adds a smart home touch. Pros: wire-free and solar-powered, 360 degrees coverage, 2K night vision, smart home compatible, easy installation. Cons: solar charging depends on sunlight, and single-channel video for multi-camera setups. Quick tip: position the camera where it can get direct sunlight for the solar panel, and pair it with other smart devices for full home automation. And there you have it, the top 5 outdoor security cameras of 2025. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's long battery life, AI detection, or solar power. Drop a comment below with your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home security tips. Stay safe.